In today's video, we are going to be roasting and looking at different ads. If you have an ad that you want me to roast, message me. We will definitely get a look at it and we will throw it onto a YouTube video. More than happy to check out your ads and what you can do differently to help you get more clients or grow your business. Now, these videos slash ads we're going to be looking at here, some of these are good, some of these are bad. We're going to be looking at 3 here, and I want to give you my critique on why these are such good ads or such bad ads, and hopefully you can see exactly why that is the case here. So let's hop into some of these ads here. Now, the first one I want to look at here is the Frontline Flea and Tick Spray. This, I think, is probably one of the most creative type of ads I've seen in quite some time. And again, what you're seeing here, this I believe is in, say, a mall, some type of large structure building. They have the mat of just a normal dog just kind of scratching its head and Frontline down here. So very simple, very easy. What this ad actually does though, which again is why it's such a good ad, is that they uses the people that act almost like ticks, fleas, whatever type of bug that's going to be on your dog. So again, as these people walk across, you're going to be seeing them kind of being kicked off or again, moving throughout the entire time around this dog. This to me is a very smart ad because anyone that's looking down at it is definitely going to get the picture. My only concern about it though is that anyone that is not looking down isn't going to see this. So again, you almost have to look over and look down at it, which again, may not be the case. So therefore that is one of the flaws with this, but overall, this is a very creative ad. And again, not that you would have to do this as well if you're looking at different ways, but this is a good option that you could sometimes think about outside the box and using the entire floor space where again someone's going to be walking and looking down sometimes, where sometimes people don't think of where to place ads. They did this very well. Now the second one I want to look at here, this one is with an eyeliner. Now, I went to Facebook just because I was looking at a few different ones here, and this one actually crossed my eye here, and no pun intended there. But this one right here, and the reason why I wanted to talk about this one here is it has this or that. This is a great way to really showcase what you offer compared to some type of generic offer. Now, I'm not going to say this is the exact perfect way to do this or that type ad, but like I said, if you have some type of product, you want to show the result that it offers, say like weight loss or something like that, you're seeing the result of what you're getting with this compared to not doing it, compared to something else. And therefore, again, people can see very quickly what they're getting, what they're not getting. Now, with this one, I would argue that, again, when we're looking at this, they do talk about what this product is for. It's a budget-proof eyeliner for women over 50. So again, there is a specific market they are looking at getting to. My only concern here with this one, as we're looking at everything else, yes, it does have the benefits and everything here, is that yes, we're seeing an older woman here using their product, but I don't know what this product is. Now you're seeing a drugstore eyeliner. I have no idea if this eyeliner is actually going to make an eye look better or not because they're just showing 3 little pencils here. They're not showing it with another eye being utilized. So it's almost giving you this false reality because you don't actually know if this, their product, is actually better than the generic product. So again, you do want to have very similar images or close to it because doing this, what they have here, again, you're just seeing these 3 products here. I have no idea what to expect from the 3 products. I do see this one, so I do have an idea of what to expect. But if I've used something generic like this and thinking this looks identical, why would I go with this product? So again, there is that little bit of issue there. I would recommend that they would have probably changed the image here to something else. Maybe they will do that because this has only been running for a couple days so far on Facebook. But again, it is something that they probably do need to relook at because again, that is a little bit of an issue with their ad. The third one I want to look at here, this one. I understand what they're trying to kind of go here for. So this is the First Bank. It's for mortgages. And you go down here, and again, they kind of explain this ad. Now, when you first look at this, this is a mortgage ad. So again, you're thinking mortgage. Okay, makes sense. How to play dominoes. They go into a whole spiel on how to play dominoes. Nothing in this whole thing talks about mortgage. Worry less about your mortgage and more about your free time. So again, I do understand they are trying to get people to think about some type of thing they can do outside of their mortgage thinking, Domino's being one of them. But really, when someone's looking at this, this does not answer any questions at all, and it doesn't really give me an idea of why First Bank would be an option when it comes to my mortgage and why I would want to use them. There's no benefits, there's no perks, there's nothing here besides them telling me how to play Domino's, which if I really wanted to, I could quickly Google search that. This is something that, again, I think they really missed the ball on it. Yes, they were trying to be outside the box with this ad, but overall, it's just not hitting the point. And again, they do have, it does start off well. The image up here with the text, I think is actually a very nice looking image off the background here. But like I said, this does just not play into it very well, or they should have had something along the lines with why they would be a good source for a mortgage. But again, we're not seeing it besides them just reaching out to what they actually offer. Overall, again, I would say this is probably a below average type ad. So again, and I'm pretty sure being a mortgage company, they probably put some money behind this. Maybe it did hit well, but in my opinion, this could have been such a better ad. But again, to each their own. All right, so those are the ads that I wanted to roast today. Again, if you have any ads that you want me to check out, send me a message. I'm more than happy to look at your ads. We will throw them up on YouTube, or we can even have a conversation where we talk to you and your thought process on those ads. If you did enjoy this video, I greatly appreciate it. Do hit the like button, subscribe down below. It does mean a lot to me. It helps grow this YouTube channel and also helps people learn more about what they can do for their ads. And if you do want to learn more about how to create better ads, we do offer a workshop. That link is down below. This workshop will show you exactly how to create the best ads for your business and how to upload them up to Meta, Instagram, any social media that you want to, which again will help grow your business. If you do want to check that out, the link is down below. I will see you in the next video.